Hello my dear students. So in the last two videos we have studied about the epithelial tissues, then about the muscular tissues. Today we are going to study about the fibrous tissue. Alright, so under fibrous tissue we have four types: areolar, adipose, tendons and ligaments. So we shall study this one by one. Now coming to the fibrous tissue, what does the word fibrous mean? Fibrous means like fiber. You can see this cloth fiber, thread-like structures. Okay, fiber. Okay, thread-like structures. Now, what is the role of these fibrous tissues in our body? They basically pack and bind the organs in our body. Okay, they just bind it. Suppose binding one bone to the other bone, one skin to the other skin layer. Okay, so all these binding things and packing things in our body are done by the fibrous tissues. All right, let's go ahead. So first division under the fibrous tissue is the areolar tissue. Now these areolar tissues are basically jelly-like. Okay, they are basically jelly-like, and the thing is that they are made up of several elastic fibers. Okay, they're made up of several elastic fibers. Can you see these thin threads? Okay, these are the elastic fibers and they help bind the skin to the muscles. You can write help bind skin to muscles. All right, you can see here, suppose this is the outer skin, epidermis, that we have our own skin, and you can see the muscle, this one. Wait just a second, I will change the color of the ink. Okay, this one is the muscle, and this is basically the fibrous tissue, fibrous tissue. This one has been cut out, and this is the fibrous tissue. Okay, elastic type, which is helping bind this outer skin to the inner muscle. Okay, it binds it in this way. You can see this is also the chromatographic structure of areolar tissue. And where are they found? They are basically found in the you can say linings of gut region. That is the, by the way, okay, fine, it's now your duty to find out what does the word gut mean. Okay, we always say that it's my gut feeling. So what does the word gut mean? Okay, which part of the body is known as gut? So you have to find out. And then also several linings of the muscles, and also found in several linings of the skin and other organs. Okay, so once again, areolar tissue means these are elastic fibers, okay, jelly-like, and they help to bind the skin to the muscles. You can see this picture. Second division that we go under, that is under the fibrous tissue, is the adipose tissue. Now these are the tissues that are found obviously under the skin layer. Suppose this is the skin, this is here. Under the skin layer, these adipose tissues are found, and it acts like a cushion. You can say cushion, or you can say as an insulator. So those who are fat, they don't feel cold during winter season. Okay, because why? Because they have these adipose tissue. Adipose tissues are also called as the fat cells. Okay, these adipose tissues are numerous in numbers in any person who is really very fat, and so for that purpose what happens is that these adipose tissues, they start acting as an insulator and prevents the person to feel cold during winter. Okay, so and these are called as the fat cells, which I have told you, and these fat cells, they store energy. Okay, they help to store energy in the form of fat. Okay, so you can see body fat. When you take out the fats from this person, it's in this way, and this is adipocytes. That is the cells of adipose tissue are called as adipocytes. Okay, so you can see this bubble shaped structure of the adipose tissue. All right, let's move ahead. Now comes the third division under fibrous tissue is the tendon. Now what are tendons? They are those structures or tissues which joins muscle to bones. Can you see? This is the tendon, right? This part is the tendon. And what is the tendon joining? Joining the muscle to the bone. Can you see this one? Joining muscle to the bone is the tendon. Now how do you remember this? You can remember it in this way: M, T, B. Here T means tendon and M here means muscle, B here means bone. Okay, MTB. Fine. So this is basically, here you can see in this region, in our legs and all this region, wherever there is bone and muscle, those joints are joined by the tendons. Okay. Next, the fourth division and the last division under the fibrous tissue is the ligament. Now what is this ligament? These are also elastic type in nature and they connect bone to bone. Okay, you can B, L, B. L is for ligament and this is bone, bone. So what do I want to say is that, so ligament connects two bones together. Can you see? This is the ligament and here is one bone, here is another bone. This is the ligament and here is one bone, this is another bone. Okay, what did we study about tendons once again? So it connects muscle to bone. Muscle to bone is connected by tendon, MTB, and ligament connects two bones together. Bone to bone is connected by ligaments, BLB, MTB, BLB. Remember it in this way. Alright, so that was it about the fibrous tissue. Please rewatch this video. We shall start in the next video with the skeletal tissues. Thank you.